Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling Bluetooth on your source device. Do it now. Then put the headphones into pairing mode. This creates a discoverable signal so the device can see them. Once both are ready, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Select the headphone name. If prompted, confirm pairing codes or accept permissions. This direct pairing step establishes a secure audio link and explains why distance and interference matter. They affect signal strength and audio stability, so stay close until connected. Now you'll choose the headphones as the active audio output. Go to Sound Settings or the app's playback menu and tap the device. If you want to share audio with another headset, use dual audio, stereo split, or manufacturer party mode. Follow the device prompts to add a second pair. Make sure to check volume limits and the codec option if audio quality matters. Some codecs reduce latency or improve fidelity. Once set, test playback to confirm both ears and devices are synchronized. Finish by testing audio and mic routing with a short clip so you can confirm levels and delay. If audio drops or devices won't pair, make sure to toggle Bluetooth off then on, restart the source, or use forget and repair. These actions clear stacked connections. Also check battery levels, app permissions, and update firmware or drivers. Outdated software often causes failures. If one headset lags, switch codecs or reduce distance. These steps resolve most common Bluetooth sharing problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.